Amurians, this particular chicken corn soup is a must try. It is spicy, it has the right ingredients, it is well seasoned, it is just perfect for this season. Let me show you how I made this. So first thing you need to do is cut your chicken parts into any bite size. I got this chicken from Okat Seafood. She is in Abuja and they deliver anywhere. They have a website that you can order from, so just click on the website, order, and they will deliver to your doorstep, or visit them at their shop in Lokuguma. Next, as you can see in the video, I'm just trying to cut the chicken into bite size. That way it is easier to just carry from the soup and enjoy. I transferred the chicken into a bowl, adding some vinegar, lemon juice. I do this all the time. By now you know why I do this. This is to ensure I remove all that raw chicken smell and taste from the chicken, because just take your time to clean your protein always. It is very, very important, and I feel it is one of the basic things you need to know if you're passionate about cooking. So I'm gonna clean this, or let me say soak the chicken in some vinegar and lemon juice, then wash it up with water. Now in my butcher mix food processor, I'm gonna crush some chili pepper, bell pepper, yellow habanero pepper, normal scotch bonnet pepper, 1 garlic, a pinch of ginger, raw ginger, and of course some onions. I'm gonna crush that with my butcher mix food processor and set aside. Once all ingredients are ready, now it is time to start cooking. So I added the chicken into my pot, and then I'm going to season with some seasoning powder, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and of course salt. Yeah, very, very important. Now add some of that pepper mix that you just crushed. Give everything a good stir, cover, and allow it to cook in its own juice for about 8 minutes. Then open it up. Once that is on fire, get your corn, remove it from the, I don't know what this is called, I think the peel or whatever. Just remove that. By the way, corn is in season, so yeah, you can try this recipe. And if you don't like corn, you can totally omit this particular step. So you're going to remove the corn from the shell or peel, I don't know what they call this, and then cut into bite size also. Parboil it in boiling water for some minutes until it changes color, and then scoop from the water, set aside. Now back to our chicken. Look at that, looking all nice and good. This isn't thoroughly cooked, it is like 60% done. So at this junction, I'm gonna just stir everything. You see that juice that the chicken released? It is very important, as it is gonna form the base of this soup. So you're going to go in with some water, the remaining pepper that we just crushed, that we've previously crushed sorry, and then you're going to add in the corn. At this junction, you can taste and adjust seasoning if you like, or you can leave it like that. The herbs I added is a rosemary, fresh rosemary, and of course some oregano. Cover and let that simmer for a bit until everything is well infused, everything is incorporated, as you can see in the video. Remove the rosemary stem because it has served its purpose. Give everything a good stir. Here I'm just trying to slice some scent leaf. You can also use basil if that's what you have. Add the sliced scent leaf to the soup, stir very well, let it simmer for like 30 seconds, and it is done. Now, what will you be serving this with? You can enjoy this as it is without anything, but I paired mine with some, can you guess? Plantain naan. It was so delicious. It was just so perfect for the weather. You need to try this recipe. Full ingredient list will be in the caption, in the description box below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and just anticipate for my next video. I love you all. Bye.